Here's how you can make a song in a few minutes with Suno AI. You can use Suno via their website or after joining them on Discord. If you start on the website www.suno.ai, this is the home screen you'll see. You can either use any pre-made songs from their library or click on Make a Song to create your own. Once you click on Create, it asks you to put in your song description. After clicking Create again, you'll get a few options for the music treatment. You can check all the suggested songs to find your preference. If you find one you like, click on Remix and change the lyrics. The style of the music can be changed as well. Although you can generate lyrics by ChatGPT, we had already done this before, so we didn't do it here. Then give a title to your song, click on Create, and it makes your song for you. It usually gives you two versions of the song, one in a male voice and one in a female voice, so you can select whichever you prefer and have your music. Moreover, it gives you options to continue this clip with further lyrics. You can download this as an audio file or a video file. You can remix any song you want on this platform using these same steps. Now, let's quickly show you how we did this on Discord as well. Join the Suno group and click on any of the Chirp beta chats. Write /chirp and press enter to select this command. Press enter again so that this dialog box appears for you. Then, select the type of music you want. We just went along with random because we didn't have anything particular in mind. We enter our lyrics. You can use ChatGPT to make your lyrics here as well, then click OK, and it takes the song lyrics from you and generates your song for you. That's about it. As easy as that. Make your song for your Valentine now.
In a bookstore, a world's first met among the shelves of dreams and sunset.
In a bookstore, our worlds first met among